Do you ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of responsibilities? Like you're constantly busy, yet the important things in life, the things that bring you joy, are slipping through the cracks? You're not alone. For many of us, time feels like our biggest enemy. But here's the truth. Time isn't the problem, it's how we manage it. In this video, we'll explore proven productivity hacks that will not only help you get more done but will also empower you to create a balanced, fulfilling life. These aren't just tips, they're tools to reclaim your time, reduce stress, and live intentionally. So, take a deep breath. Your journey to mastering your time starts now. 1. Start with the 80-20 rule. Focus on what truly matters. The first hack is a game changer, the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. This principle reveals a powerful truth. 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. It's about identifying and focusing on the tasks that truly make a difference. Think about your day. How many tasks are you doing just because they're there, because they feel urgent, but they're not actually important? The 80-20 rule helps you shift your energy to high-impact activities, the ones that drive success in your work, relationships, and personal growth. Imagine you're an entrepreneur. You might find that 80% of your revenue comes from 20% of your clients. Instead of spending equal time on all clients, focus more on those top-performing 20%. This approach applies everywhere. For students, instead of reading every single chapter, focus on the key concepts that will most likely be on the test. For parents, instead of filling every moment with tasks, spend intentional time connecting with your kids. It's what they'll remember most. This hack allows you to work smarter, not harder, and unlock more results with less effort. 2. Time blocking. Take control of your day. The second hack is time blocking, a productivity tool that can revolutionize how you manage your day. Time blocking isn't just about planning, it's about reclaiming control of your schedule and being intentional with every hour. Here's how it works. Break your day into blocks of time dedicated to specific activities: work, exercise, meals, relaxation. Color code these blocks to visually separate your priorities. Stick to your plan like it's a meeting with your future self. When your time has a purpose, distractions fade, and your productivity skyrockets. Time blocking eliminates decision fatigue because you know exactly what to do and when to do it. Let's say you're a writer. Instead of vaguely planning to work on your book, you block 9 o'clock to 11 a.m. every morning for focused writing. During that block, you turn off your phone, avoid emails, and just write. This dedicated focus leads to faster, better results. And don't forget to block time for self-care, whether it's yoga, meditation, or just relaxing with a cup of coffee. Balance is key. 3. Master the art of saying no. Protect your time. The third hack might feel uncomfortable at first, but it's one of the most liberating things you'll ever learn. The power of saying no. Your time is precious, and every yes you give means saying no to something else, often something more important. Most of us struggle with this because we don't want to disappoint others. But here's the truth. When you say yes to things that don't align with your goals, you're disappointing yourself. By learning to say no, you create space for what truly matters. Before agreeing to anything, ask yourself, does this align with my priorities? Will this add value to my life or others? If the answer is no, it's okay to decline politely. For example, you might say, I'd love to help, but my schedule is full right now. Protecting your time isn't selfish, it's essential for balance and success. 4. The 2-minute rule. Conquer small tasks immediately. The 2-minute rule is all about momentum. It's simple. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This rule prevents minor tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. Small tasks, when left undone, create clutter, not just on your desk but in your mind. By handling them instantly, you keep your environment and mindset clear. Reply to short emails as soon as you read them. Put away dishes right after a meal. Organize papers on your desk at the end of the day. These small wins create a ripple effect, boosting your confidence and freeing you to focus on bigger priorities. 5. Prioritize rest and recovery. Recharge to perform better. Talk about a hack most people overlook: rest and recovery. Productivity isn't about how much you can cram into your day. It's about working at your best and sustaining it over time. Studies show that regular breaks improve focus, creativity, and decision-making. Yet, so many of us neglect rest because we equate busyness with success. But here's the truth. Rest is productive. When you prioritize downtime, you return to your tasks with renewed energy and clarity. Schedule short breaks throughout your day, stand, stretch, or take a walk. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Set aside time for hobbies and activities that bring you joy, like reading, journaling, or spending time with loved ones. Remember, balance isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for long-term success. Number 6. Use the 1-minute rule to declutter your life. The 1-minute rule may seem small, but it has a profound impact on your daily life. Here's how it works. If there's a task that takes less than 1 minute to complete, do it immediately. It's about tackling the little things that often pile up and lead to mental and physical clutter. Clutter is a silent productivity killer. When your environment is disorganized, your mind often mirrors that chaos. The 1-minute rule is designed to stop messes before they grow into bigger problems, keeping your surroundings and your mindset clear and focused. At home, hang your coat or bag as soon as you come home instead of tossing it on a chair. Wipe down the counter after preparing a meal. Throw away junk mail or packaging instead of leaving it on the table. At work, file a document as soon as you're done with it. Respond to a quick email or message without delay. Straighten up your desk at the end of the day. In relationships, send a quick text to check in with a loved one. Offer a compliment or thank you, small actions that take seconds but strengthen bonds. When you make the 1-minute rule a habit, you create a smoother, more manageable environment that doesn't feel overwhelming. It's about building momentum with small wins that boost your productivity and peace of mind. Remember, it's not just about tidying up, it's about creating a life that feels lighter and more intentional. Number 7. Plan your day the night before. Start with clarity. The final hack is all about setting yourself up for success. Planning your day the night before. It's a simple practice that can transform the way you start each morning and help you maintain focus throughout the day. When you plan your day in advance, you engage in a process called pre-commitment, where you align your intentions with your actions. This reduces decision fatigue, those moments when you waste time figuring out what to do next, and helps you hit the ground running. Review today. Spend a few minutes reflecting on what you accomplished today. Celebrate your wins and note any unfinished tasks that need to carry over. Set priorities. Write down the top 3 things you want to achieve tomorrow. These should align with your bigger goals and move you closer to your dreams. Time blocking. Schedule your day with time blocks for your priorities, breaks, and personal time. Visualizing your day ensures you don't overbook yourself. Prepare your environment. Lay out what you'll need for tomorrow, your workout clothes, work documents, or even your breakfast plan. A few minutes of preparation tonight can save you time and energy in the morning. Starting the day with a clear plan reduces stress, increases focus, and boosts productivity. You're no longer waking up to chaos or wasting time deciding what to tackle first. Here's a quick story. A friend of mine used to feel constantly behind. She started spending just 10 minutes every evening planning her next day, and within weeks, she noticed a dramatic shift. She felt calmer, made fewer impulsive decisions, and achieved more by staying on track. Use a planner or digital app to stay organized. Tools like Notion, Trello, or Google Calendar are great for visualizing your day. Reflect on your energy levels. Plan your hardest tasks when you're most alert, typically in the morning. End your planning session with gratitude. Write down one thing you're thankful for, reinforcing a positive mindset for the day ahead. When you plan ahead, you reclaim control of your life. You're no longer reacting to your day, you're leading it. This simple habit turns chaos into clarity, helping you approach each morning with confidence and purpose. Mastering your time is about more than getting things done. It's about creating a life where your time reflects your values, priorities, and dreams. These productivity hacks are the blueprint to a balanced, fulfilling life. Which hack resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to transform your life one intentional minute at a time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your time is your most valuable asset. Use it wisely and watch your life transform.